Hit it. Okay, so this is going to be our video number part 6. Okay, so part 6 is where we figured out that, alright, it was the slack line was 5.3 longer than the slope, right? And then therefore we had the extra 5.3. With the extra 5.3, we also got 3 feet onto the cable to hold us on. But then we got a 7-foot person, so that's a 10 foot. With the cable and the person, it's 10 feet. So we're at 15.3. So we decided we're going to make that 15.5. So we decided being 12 feet off the ground probably not good, because we'd be cutting off our knees, right? So you don't want to be coming into the ground at 180 miles an hour hitting your knees. Probably not going to feel good. So we're going to raise it up and have more fun. So in here we're going to do what's called rounding to the nearest half foot. So instead of rounding to the nearest foot and giving it, 0.7 more, almost a whole foot, right? 3/4 of a foot. We'll just give it a little bit more, because how many of us are really 7 foot tall anyways, right? So we're probably going to need a bucket or some kind of chair to get off the darn thing anyways, okay? So we're good to go. So we got the 15.5 feet, okay, of clearance when we come on that last one. What we need to know is, how high are we going to be at that point here? So it's going to be 20 feet up, right? Because you went down 20. So 20 and 15 is 35.5, right? And then we said, okay, well then how far are we here? Well, that's plus 14 puts us at 49.5, right? And we said, well, how high does the ladder have to be? Because that's the actual question. How high does the ladder have to be so that we don't break our legs and we can have fun? And we got 73.5 because we went up 24 more feet. Does that make sense? So we got a 73.5 foot ladder. Okay? Now, that is everything that we've done so far. That answers that next question on the zip line as far as after angle of depression. It says, how high is the first ladder? Now, honestly, remember, it was 3.5 feet shorter. We already found that question out before, right? Because we had to add. This is the next question. Like, what happens, Yes, ma'am.
Are you working on the zip line one?
Yeah. So I'm working on this problem right here. Alright? So that's where we're at on the videos. So this is video 6. Video number 6, part 6.
Can you write that down?
Yeah. So this is part 6. Okay? And so what we're doing right here is we're trying to figure out how high this has to be so we don't bust our knees. Okay? And that's all that question asks you, isn't it? I said round to the nearest half foot. So that's what we did. So we're good to go. Does that make sense to everyone? As far as what we did so far. I know I went kind of fast. Okay? So that's going to be part